Hey everyone, Miss Kabumba here. I want to show you how I upcycled this outfit. So it's a really quick tutorial. You don't even need that many steps for real. I'm just going to show you what I did, so bear with me. So I started off with taking this sweater vest that's basically a large, and I turned it into a small by just flipping it inside out. And this one, that top, the sweater vest, that was large, flipping it inside out and sewing it made it into a small. I grabbed these pairs of blue shorts and I put it on top of this other shirt because I'm going to turn this shirt into a pair of shorts. And I want to show you the little line I ended up cutting right there at the bottom to turn into a pair of shorts. And it's all for an event to meet my favorite content creator ever, BRI Hall, Miss BRI. I know that's right.
As educators, but I just want to give a moment of credit to my subscribers, my audience, because I have received in turn so much education, so much help, so much community and love from this amazing community, and words cannot describe how life-changing it has been. There are sometimes that I'll have a question and I'll just put it out there, and to be able to have people comment on it, but also comment back and forth to each other, and everyone's answering each other's questions. I think that's cultivated this I've got your back kind of feeling within the natural hair community, especially when there is some opposition, which we're gonna get into later.
Guys, I met Bri and she was very demure, very mindful.
Say that someone who wants to pursue the creative industry, put that first.
Yes.
Always stay true to my standards and values. And yeah, just those hashtags.
I love that. Authenticity. Don't be afraid to speak to people no matter what walk of life or what they're doing, because there have been people on my journey when I was waitressing, what have you, that I didn't know that these people were connected. Being kind like you already are. You have such an amazing spirit and amazing energy. Amazing energy. And so I think maintaining this energy is going to take you very, very, very far, because sometimes we see people that are cool or what have you, and they see some power, but also there's so many blessings and so many opportunities that come from being authentic and kind, because at some point the mask will slip and the veil will fall. And I really do also believe in karma as well, so good karma as well. So keep pouring into others, keep pouring into your community, and also be vocal about what you want. Keep your goals to yourself, but be vocal about your needs, because there might be somebody you might be shying away from a need, and there might be somebody that's I have a business that does that. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
So just be vocal, be you, stay true to yourself, and take some leaps of faith. Even what you did today, keep doing that for yourself.
Thank you. Oh, that was beautiful.
Y'all, I could seriously cry. I finally got to meet one of my favorite content creators. We took pictures. I gave her a bracelet that she immediately put on. She said she'd never forget me. She absolutely loves the generosity. She was so excited. We took a picture of it, and she's like, we're locked in for life. And she can't wait to see me succeed in everything I do. In the letter, I had an art piece, and I just wrote the influence that she's had on my life, being a Black girl in the creative industry. She's just so inspiring, and I want to answer another extra clip about natural hair that she says right here.
Combs for a long time, because I remember that sound, when a comb was snapping, the little plastic beauty supply ones, and just your auntie or that one person just and hearing the frustration, I felt that felt like a soundtrack to my hair at the time. And so I would just have to remember that is, if someone doesn't know how to style your hair, how to work with your hair, that is their deficiency in education, and that is not your burden to bear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, that's amazing.
Bri is just so sweet. So throughout the event, they also gave us products. Shout out to Carol's daughter. They gave us Carol's daughter after playing a game. Hello. As Bree said, we were meant to meet. Our genuine energy in her videos, that's who she is in real life, and I love to see it. We had a connection, like, it was sisterhood for real. I'm just forever thankful that I get to be placed into these opportunities, be gifted things from companies that like truly trust in my creativity and my work. I'm a creative through and through, and I feel like that means something. Man, like this whole journey, like even though it's just the beginning, I can feel it's getting better and stronger. When it comes to pursuing whatever you want to pursue, I promise it starts with just passion. That passion is going to make you keep going. Express your creativity to the fullest extent. I promise you. And when it comes to success, do not ever focus on how far you have to go. Just focus on what can you do right now. Mondays, Amika, all these brands. Here's a final clip of my fits to really just show y'all how good I looked. Yes, we are back again with the little yap session. I just want to say, always trust your guts. That's what I want to say. Always trust your gut and express your creativity to the fullest extent. If you are an artist, I know you have so many ideas and so many things you want to pursue, so do them. Promise it will only take you further in life. As you keep practicing your craft, sharing it to the world, you're inspiring different people. Just like Zaina, Bri, and all these other talented Black creators inspired me, I feel like I'm also somewhat creating a space for other people too, because we just need more Black artsy quirky girls. That's what I like to see. Right here, it was like a fashion animation vlog type of video. It's because I want to film things that are interesting and fun for me, but also make it as creative as possible. I'm just grateful for it all, and this is what I mean by trusting your guts. If God's giving you the vision to do great things, trust in that. Trust in that, and you will see how you will succeed. Yeah. I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified of my weekly uploads. The next upload Sunday. Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays are my upload dates. Bye!